Toot toot! Clickety-clack. All aboard the Ali San Forest Railway. High up in the mountains at an elevation of 2,216 meters, this line takes you on a thrilling ride through misty forests and tea gardens. Join us, and together we'll take a wonderful Taiwanese journey where you will discover the 5 wonders of Ali San. What are they, you ask? They're the sunrise, the sea of clouds, the railway, the forest, and the sunset. Are you ready to explore Ali San? Ali San Forest Railway is a hotspot in both Chiayi City and Chiayi County. The railway has many stations along the way to Ali San. The railway was used for delivering logs. Now, many tourists come here to experience the ride. The railway here is different from other railways. During the ride, you will pass by Dulisan. You will find that the train runs up the mountain in spirals. This is because there is not enough space to build more rails. Besides, Z-shaped switchbacks are designed to reverse the direction of a train. With them, you can have a round trip on the same pair of rails. During the ride, you can see various plants and trees at different altitudes. Ali San Forest Railway is one of Taiwan's important assets. It is listed as a potential World Heritage Site. Okay, are you ready to catch your best photos yet? As we wrap up our Ali San Forest Railway journey, ensure your cameras are ready to point to the east, as the sunrise here is a showstopper. Ali San offers moments of fresh mountain air, a dash of adventure, and a symphony of nature. Each glimpse is a treasure, and every chug-chug is a melody.